hoping to end their season differently than last year, and that's by getting a bowl win. Thanks for joining us here at 4:30. I'm Derek Rose. The teams have been busy preparing today for what will be Lamar Jackson's last game as a Cardinal. WHAS 11's Holden Kerwicki live in Jacksonville, where the temperature...
So it's some consolation that basically the northern half of the country is pretty chilly as well. 14 in Chicago, only 2 in Minneapolis and Bismarck right now. Factor in a wind chill for those folks, and it feels a little bit colder there, but we're sitting at 31, just below freezing here in Louisville. Taking a look at our radar and satellite, we had some snow showers earlier today, just over portions of southern Indiana. Those clearing out over the next hour or two, but Seymour, Madison, you guys might have seen a light dusting. Could have seen up to a half an inch in portions of Jefferson County. We'll get some official measurements later on and tell you what those are. A little light dusting in Newcastle as well. You can see that snow, part of a longer swath of snow, just kind of skirting north of the state line, covering Indiana a lot more than it's covering Kentucky right now, but definitely keeping us chilly out there. 31 again in Louisville, 24 in Cincinnati, only 18 right now in Indianapolis. We don't have any wind chill factor right now, but by the time we get to tomorrow morning, we are going to be cooling off. That is for sure. Starting the day in the low 20s and some upper teens, we'll warm up by about noon to maybe around 30 degrees, but we've got some falling temperatures in the afternoon, falling by 6 p.m. into the low teens, maybe some mid-teens and low 20s, and could see some single digits by the time we get to Saturday evening over portions of southern Indiana. When we factor in a little bit of wind, it's going to feel even colder. So fast forward to Sunday morning, starting the day off in the single digits for most folks out there. Sunday afternoon, as we head closer to that New Year's Eve time when everybody's going to get out and go to these parties, it's going to be really chilly out there. Teens are your forecast for your highs on Sunday. It's a very chilly forecast for the next 7 days. We have to just tell you what's coming. We've got another blast of Arctic air headed our way with a high-pressure system that's going to move this way over the next few days, and that cold air really is here to stay as we head into the end of 2017 and kick off our 2018. 21 degrees for that high on Sunday, 18 for that high on Monday, the first day of the year. Our average is about 43 for this time of year, so we're at least 20 degrees below average. Our live look from our Morgan & Morgan HD camera network over the metro. Pretty overcast afternoon, 31 at the airport, 30 at Bowman Field. Little humidity, so it feels more like 26 right now. Here's that forecast going into tonight. Temperatures dropping to 27 by the afternoon once the sun sets, and then tonight, forecast low of 22 here in the city, a little cooler in the suburbs. And
in case y'all don't know, this will be going on both of my channels. This will be going on Tornado Boy 200 and Storm Chaser 2000.
Check out those temperatures over the next 7 days. We don't have any warm days in the forecast, so just be frank about it. The warmest day could be next Wednesday with a high temperature of 30 degrees. We're seeing highs in the 20s, lows in the teens and single digits, especially on that first day of 2018. Low temperature, 3 degrees on Monday night.
3 whole degrees.
3 whole degrees, and that's in the cities. So the suburbs and portions of southern Indiana are definitely going to be colder than that. Wind chill's definitely below 0.
Oh, ouch.
Yep.
It sounds painful. All right, Caitlin, thank you very much. Still ahead here at 4.
We're going to find her.
Still ahead, a Kentucky woman's search to find her birth mother goes viral. And you're going to hear her story next.
Tonight, it's a brand new 2020, but first, ABC's Shark Tank.